Alright, today we are dyeing these $15 Walmart shoes. They're a lot like the Air Force Ones, so if you guys want to try practicing on these instead of Air Force Ones but want to get into customizing Air Force Ones, this is a great starter. We have Air Force Ones that need customizing. I have 2 Air Force Ones and Nike Court that needs customizing, but I'll do that in a future video. So I want to practice on these. I do got another video coming up soon that we're going to be customizing a pair of Air Force Ones for our daughter's birthday. She is turning 14 and she wants BTS shoes. So definitely stay tuned if you guys want to watch that video. Still thinking of ideas in my head how we're going to customize that one. But this one, we're just going to dye it. I picked brown because I like brown. So there we go. In this video we're going to be using this acetone because you got to take off the factory finish, so wipe it off. Same technique you got to do for the Air Force Ones. You got to put a little bit of soap. I got soap, put it in the dye, and certain people put salt. Not sure if it requires salt. No, it really just says hot water and liquid dish detergent. That's about it. So maybe we'll use the soap, maybe we won't use the soap. Let's stay tuned. Alright, let's go. First thing you want to do is take the shoelaces off. If you want to dye the shoelaces, you still need to take them off. You just throw it in the same bucket with the dye as the shoes. Then you want to get the acetone and a cotton ball or cotton swab and just take that factory finish off. Make sure you get all of it off. Prep work is definitely an important process, and here I am putting a little bit of soap and using some of that salt, and I poured the dye in. Also got some water in there to make sure I got everything out of it, mixed it up, and I use a brick to help the shoes and prevent them from floating, so I put the brick on there. I bought 2 bricks from, I want to say it was Lowe's. And after they were done, I want to say I let them sit overnight because I wanted them to get as dark as possible. And now here we are rinsing it. And this is how they looked once they were fully dried. Alright, at this point I ended up grabbing the Posca marker, and for a first time customization I decided to go with the comic book / cartoon type look on the sneaker. So I ended up tracing out all the areas and giving it 1 to 3 little markings and random spots, so they either have 1, 2, or 3 different lines. And this is how the first shoe turned out. And I was happy how it turned out, so of course I did the exact same thing but in randomized spots on the second shoe. And this is how they look when they were both completed. And of course once it's done, I did the Angela acrylic finisher and put that throughout the shoe. It's just as important as the acetone. Those are 2. Prep work and the finisher are definitely important steps, and this is how it looked like when it was complete. Did the exact same thing to the shoelaces. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much.